Welcome back, viewers. Now, seeking dismissal of a petition which prays for the drafting of a uniform civil code, the centre has told the Delhi High Court that it is a matter of policy for elected representatives of the people to decide, and no direction in this regard can be issued by the court. The Uniform Civil Code is, of course, a proposed set of laws that would unify all the different set of laws that relate to things such as marriage and land ownership across religions. This has been something that has mooted for a while, but now the centre, via an affidavit in the Delhi High Court, has broken its silence on the matter. Let's take a look.
As the debate continues over the introduction of a uniform civil code in the country, the centre filed an affidavit before the Delhi High Court in response to a plea seeking its swift implementation. The centre has made it clear that it would examine the issue of formulation of the Uniform Civil Code in consultation with various stakeholders, but only after it receives the report from the Law Commission. The centre also stressed that the matter is critical and involves a lot of sensitivities, meaning it requires a study of various personal laws that govern the different communities coexisting with each other in the country. The affidavit comes in response to a petition filed by BJP leader and advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, who filed a PIL seeking implementation of UCC within 3 months.
I am saying that we cannot discuss the Uniform Civil Code without having a draft. What is happening? The opponent and proponent both are not clear what is the Uniform Civil Code. The people who are supporting Uniform Civil Code, they are also not clear exactly what is the Uniform Civil Code. Unfortunately, because we don't have a draft, what is happening? Maulanas are interpreting in their way, Padris are interpreting in their way. Every community is interpreting Uniform Civil Code in a particular way.
The centre also asserted that while deliberations are on in this matter, the implementation of UCC is a matter of policy and has to be decided by the elected representatives. The centre says the petition is not maintainable as the Parliament exercises sovereign power to implement laws and no outside authority can issue directions to the Parliament over the same.
In the latest development with regards to the formulation and implementation of a uniform civil code, the centre has now put forth a stand. In fact, in its first ever response filed before any court, in the Delhi High Court, it has clearly stated that the uniform civil code can only be implemented after an in-depth study of the personal laws governing different communities. In fact, because it shall be taken into mind that India is a secular country and there are various religions and communities which are having their different laws.
The centre has sought the dismissal of the petition citing non-maintainability, but assures that work is underway over the same as it awaits a report from the Law Commission. Bureau Report, Republic TV.